Hello, and thank you for coming to the McWaters Effect. I'm your host, Matt, and today I'm looking at a article from The Hill. But first, I need you to hit like and subscribe. Helps the channel grow. Now let's take a look at this article. Federal judge says Biden restaurant fund discriminates against white males. A federal judge in Texas issues a preliminary ruling Tuesday, which found that the Biden administration's nearly $29 billion restaurant relief fund discriminates against white male restaurants. In an 18-page ruling, the judge ordered the Small Business Administration relief program to temporarily stop prioritizing funding applications from businesses owned by women, racial minorities over their plaintiffs. U.S. District Judge Reed O'Connor, appointee of former President George W. Bush, found that the plaintiff is experiencing race and sex discrimination at the hands of government officials. The evidence submitted by a plaintiff indicated that the entire $28.6 billion in the Restaurant Revitalization Fund may be depleted before plaintiff's application can be considered for relief under the program, O'Connor wrote. This dispute arose after Philip Geer, a white male restaurant owner, brought a lawsuit on Sunday against the SBA over alleged violations of the Constitution Equal Protection Clause. Geer had sought to apply for a federal relief program after his restaurant, Geer's Ranch Cafe, lost nearly $100,000 in revenue during the coronavirus pandemic. But this program, which is part of the $1.9 trillion economic stimulus bill passed in March, aimed to give priority to groups that Geer does not fall under, namely women, veterans, and social economic disadvantaged people, for an initial period of May 3rd to May 24th. The judge concluded that Geer was at risk of irreparable harm because the entire fund could run out by the time the prioritized group's claims were processed. Geer's lawsuit was backed by the America's First Legal Foundation, a conservative litigation firm led by former Trump aide Stephen Miller. This ruling is the first but critical first step of ending government-sponsored racial discrimination. Miller said in a statement, "We are proud to have obtained this order for our courageous client at this initial stage, but we have a long way to go." And an attorney for the Justice Department did not immediately respond to the request for comment. I wouldn't think they would. It's complete bullshit. Judging people by the color of their skin, by something they can't even control? I mean, what the fuck? And this ain't the only time the Biden administration's done that. They did it to white farmers too. And then in California, they have a law going on there where they're giving low-income families money from the state. If you're a white family, you don't get that opportunity to get that, even though if you are low income, you're on your own. The state don't give you anything. Which I'm not for those kind of social programs anyway. But how's that not discrimination? Low income is low income. Who cares what color skin they are? And then this right here. How is something like this justified? It's not. All you're doing is creating divisions in the United States even more so than they already are. The Biden administration doesn't have any fucking clue what they're doing. All they're doing is creating more divisions in the United States and making it worse. Well, guys, that's my opinion. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Helps the channel grow. Peace.